Let's talk about WMF saucepan 12 cm approximately 0.7 liters mini stackable pouring room Cromargan stainless steel brushed suitable for all stove tops including induction dishwasher safe. Content: saucepan 12 cm approximately 0.7 liters ideal for stovetop with 14.5 cm height, 7 cm item number 0712786041. Pour off or decant liquids without spilling to keep your dishes and cooker clean. Stackable for space-saving storage. WMF cookware are suitable for all stovetops including induction. TransTherm Allherdboden, patented base construction with steady heat distribution and long heat storage for energy-saving cooking. Material: Cromargan stainless steel 1810 dishwasher safe, easy to clean, oven-proof, tasteless and acid-resistant. Designed in Germany. As a German brand, WMF is known for its versatile stylish range of products and reliability in quality and finish. For over 150 years WMF has been making cooking, dining and drinking a real experience whilst maintaining professional standards and progressing manufacturing technologies. This pan is of excellent quality and is one of my favorites to use for heating single portions of sauce or boiling up to 4 eggs. The small capacity means it heats up in no time on an induction hob. Just make sure you have quite a small induction ring as your hob might not detect the smaller pan on a large ring. I own other pans from the same range and they're all fantastic. A super pan that does not raise my blood pressure. Can pour just about anything without making a mess. You'd have to do something very stupid to make it drip. Why has it taken so long to find something that does as they say? Very nice quality. This is about the smallest size of pan that is practical for me. Anything smaller and you are getting into doll's house territory, good for making small quantities of sauce, etc. That said, I might buy the 10 centimeters, just to challenge myself to make such a small amount of something.